Scanlily's pricing feature does research on the web to help you find the values of your belongings. So I'm here on a container called desk, and I will click on without QR to begin adding items. And for this demo, I'll choose video and add multiple items at once in one video. And I'll click on the prompt. And remember to click on record video. This speaker is worth $35. Here's another item. Here's another item. So now I can click on Use Video. And it's been uploaded, and now I could actually record another. I can record them up to a minute and just stack them up, and when they finish processing, the results will be available to view. For this demo, we'll just wait and take a look. Okay, the results are in. Let's click on View, and let's scroll down and take a look. Let's start with the Craftsman tape measure. Notice it found all kinds of details about it, and notice that it's currently estimating the price. You could click on Approve even before it's finished if you wanted. And I'm going to actually go ahead and, before I approve, let's view the price sources. So you can see that it found it for $30 on eBay. It's another price, but there's many other pricing possibilities. So let's say that I like this option more for Lowe's for $28. So I could, that's now number 3. I could click on the arrows to get that to be the first option, and then I could click on that to apply it. And I can click on applying it to the cost, the current value, the original value, whichever I so choose. I'm going to click on Apply, and let's go back and approve that and go to the next one. The ceramic house, you can see it found it here. We'll take a look at it. We'll dive into it later and just go through and approve these various items right now. Notice all the details it found for the Brother label printer. It found just by that quick video and came up with a good price. And notice that here for this Bluetooth speaker, it shows the price of $35 because that's what I told it verbally, and verbal commands override the research. So there we go. I want to show something else to you. When you add these, I'm going to click on Without QR, and there's a little settings button here, and this is where you can change the pricing methodology, and you can read our help information about the details, but you can choose the best available or placement cost, fair market value, the methodology it uses. You can have it automatically apply the price or none, and actually, the default, unless you're a specific kind of user, will be none. So you probably want to start off going into the settings. And I allowed it to choose its first pick, but I could have also allowed the AI to just make an assessment of all the options and pick which one to apply. So there we go. Let's take a look down. I'm going to scroll down here. Let's take a look at this, the P-Touch cube. Notice that it has the price, it has the URL. So if I clicked on that URL, that's the URL that matches that price. So I can click on the price here and notice that it found it for $382 at CDW, which I think is a good choice. So I can leave it there. I think those are the main features of how it works. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have questions or would like a personal demo.